Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. We are so close to done on this greenery blanket and we are going to finish today. Yay! Okay, so this blanket, we are now on round 47. So 46 was this pink round in the last video, this fuchsia round, and it was double crochets. And at the end of this row, when we finished up, then we would do the lavender. So lavender is round 47. So just like the previous, as you've been following the other rounds, really the only round that changes is the double crochet round. The double crochet round is the one where we add stitches to make the circle flat. So the lavender round on round 47 is the same as the other join with single crochet, chain 5, skip 1 stitch, single crochet, and then the next double crochet, chain 5, skip 1 stitch. So that's the same that you have seen throughout. Then round 4, and then of course we join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. So round 48 in this case is the light green. Of course you can change all the colors you want, but certainly changing colors every round for the illustrative purposes really helps us understand what round we are on. And you could totally make this out of all one color if you wanted. So the green round here, the light green round is round 48. So it's 2 treble crochets in the unused stitch in between the chain 5 loop. And then there's no chain or anything. You just go 2 treble crochets behind the chain 5 loops all the way around. So you're working in the pink round 46, behind the round 47, and the green is round 48, working in those unused loops, or those unused stitches on round 46. So when you do 2 treble crochets all the way around in the unused stitches, then you join with a slip stitch in the top of the first treble crochet, and you're done with that round, and you can fasten off. And then the next round is the darker purple. The darker purple, you will join with a single crochet in the first treble crochet of a pair and in the chain 5 loop. And then the second single crochet just goes in the treble crochet of the pair. And that process you repeat over and over again. So you grab the chain 5 loop and work through the first treble crochet of the pair, and then you work just through the treble crochet. All of these rounds are worked on the right side, so there's no turning. You can totally see where you're going. And once you have single crocheted all the way around, you join with a slip stitch to finish the round, and you are good to go. Okay, the next round is this teal color. This teal color is join with a double crochet in any stitch, any of the single crochet stitches. We're double crocheting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 double crochets in the next single crochet, and that's how we're increasing. So we're increasing with a double crochet in 7, 1 in each of the next 7 stitches, then place 2 of them in the same stitch over and over again for a total of 42 times, and your stitch count, I'm pretty sure, 99% sure, is 378 double crochets all the way around with this turquoise or aqua color. That is the last increasing round. And now we have just 2 rounds to go. And this is where things get a little bit different because we're fastening off and finishing off this blanket. So the next single crochet chain 5 round is the same that you have seen over and over again. You join with a single crochet. I used this light gray color, and then chain 5, skip 1 double crochet, and then single crochet in the next, chain 5, skip 1 double crochet, single crochet in the next, all the way around. When you reach the first single crochet, you just slip stitch into it and fasten off. Now look at this, friends. So this is the final round. So this is the gray was round 51. The blue here, the royal blue, is round 52, and we are finishing with this round. So you'll join with a single crochet behind a chain 5 loop in a double crochet, just like you used to do the treble crochets in that spot. and then you'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is new. And now we're going to single crochet in the front, in front of that chain 5 loop, in the unused stitch of the double crochet round. So we're just still doing the exact same thing, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're chaining 5, single crocheting, chaining 5, single crocheting, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the same exact round as the gray, only we're alternating whether we put the single crochet in front of the chain 5 loop or in behind. So we're doing it every other. And that's what's going to make this kind of twisted barber pole looking little double loopy edge final round. So this is the final round, the edging, so to speak, of this blanket, and it is super fun. So we will do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we were in front of the chain 5 loop here, then we're going to go behind the next chain 5 loop here, okay? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then instead of behind like we just did, now we know we're going to push that to the back and just grab it from the front and place it here, okay? Super exciting. So some people may get confused and think that you're grabbing all the way around. So this is not what I'm talking about, where you're grabbing the yarn all the way around, poking through from the front of the stitch to the back, grabbing it and pinning it down. That pins down that chain 5 loop. We're not doing that unless you want to do that. Totally your choice. And if you do that, just be consistent all the way around. But I like this alternating to the back of the chain 5 loop, 2, 3, 4, 5, then fold the loop to the front. I'm sorry, fold the loop to the back so that you can work in front of it. Okay, and we're just alternating all the way around. And then it is done, dear friends. So keep an eye out because I'm turning this project into the final project of a baby blanket book that I hope to have out as soon as the 1st of October or so, 2024. And if you're watching this after 2024 October, check Amazon. There should be a link below in this video and all the other Greenery videos once I get it all done so that you can find the entire thing. Okay, so in the meantime, all of these Greenery rounds are in one playlist for right-handers and one playlist for left-handers, and I hope you enjoy this free pattern that I have been with you every step of the way. So that's it. Yay! Cue the applause, cue the confetti and the balloon drop, and I'm so excited to be done with this project because it has just been so fun, but it has been so long. So thank you for sticking with me, and I can't wait to see you on the morning podcast, the 5-minute crochet podcast each weekday morning, usually a few minutes before 9 a.m., sometimes before 10 a.m., but we get to it the best we can. Are you going to pounce?